Welcome to a brief overview of the term Advanced Systems Format, ASF, a crucial element in multimedia systems and digital media. In just 60 seconds, let's delve into what ASF is and its significance. Advanced Systems Format, or ASF, is a multimedia container format used for storing and synchronizing digital media content. It is primarily utilized in the realm of digital multimedia systems, such as audio and video playback. ASF serves as a vessel for various types of multimedia data, including audio, video, and metadata. Much like an actuator in mechanical systems, ASF acts as a conduit for the conversion and synchronization of different forms of digital content. In multimedia technology, ASF plays a pivotal role in enabling the seamless playback of multimedia files. It allows for the integration of various media components, ensuring that audio and video are synchronized correctly. In digital media production, ASF containers are used to package and deliver multimedia content efficiently. They provide a structured framework for organizing and distributing digital media assets. ASF formats can vary in terms of codecs, resolutions, and bit rates, accommodating different media quality requirements and device capabilities. Understanding Advanced Systems Format, ASF, is essential for professionals working in multimedia production, digital media distribution, or media playback technologies. It serves as a foundational component in systems where the storage and synchronization of digital media content are crucial. Stay informed and digitally adept. Recognizing the function and importance of ASF is key to understanding how multimedia systems handle and deliver audiovisual content effectively.